In this video, we're going to show you how to replace fear of the unknown with curiosity to help you win more lotteries. So why wait? Let's get going! Hi, Larry Bingelman here, and welcome to another Adventures in Consciousness video. If this is your first visit to this channel and you want to learn how to improve your lottery predictions while encouraging world peace, start by subscribing. Click the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. We do our level best to post every week. If you've been watching my videos, you know that the Ninth City is a psychic development program focused on bringing about a non-violent world through group meditation, incentivized by winning lotteries. It's been shown by quantum scientists that large groups of meditators meditating together create a dense quantum energy field. And it's this energy field, this quantum energy field, that promotes the non-violence. But this same quantum energy field also creates an environment that improves our psychic abilities. We use this enhanced psychic environment to quickly develop expertise in prophetic vision, which we use to win lotteries. Today, in today's world, these are scientific facts. So everybody asks this, what's holding us back? We have the science to create peace on earth. We have the ancient techniques, and we have the ability to combine these techniques with modern technology. Why haven't we used this knowledge and this wisdom? Why haven't we made more progress in our spiritual evolution? In my opinion, it's fear. Fear holds us back. Fear is the great barrier to human evolution. Robert Monroe said that we are born into the physical energy system with only two fears. The fear of loud noises and the fear of falling, both engendered by the birth process. But as we grow older, we learn more and more fears, so that by the time we're mature, we're loaded with fears. We may have grown physically, but our real growth, the realization of our true potential, our spiritual growth, has been greatly impeded. What we don't understand or know about creates these fears in us. We all have them. We fear darkness because we don't know what's there. Physical pain creates fear because we don't know what it might imply. We fear aging, and I'm a good one to talk about aging. It's not so bad. But we fear ill health as well. But mostly, we fear death. Because of the human propensity to fear what is unknown, we fear the very experiences that the Ninth City is proposing to help you win lotteries and help you bring about world peace. We fear the experience of pure consciousness because it means identifying with a part of ourselves that's not bound by time or space. It's a different way to be. It's an experience in which our body and mind are transcended. If you're not prepared for it, if you haven't been coached, this can be an unsettling experience, to say the least. This is one of the reasons the Transcendental Meditation movement insists on 3 days of training before you get your mantra. Think of it like this. When we transcend the physical energy system, we experience ourselves as the eternal spirit that we've always been and we always will be. The fear of death vanishes as we begin to understand that we are living spirits in a physical body. This experience changes a person's life forever and ever. Belief in an ideology or faith in a religious doctrine are no longer necessary for a fulfilling life. You will know deep within your heart of hearts the true reality of life. And sadly, it's fear of this unknown that holds us back from our spiritual birthright. In the same way, we fear the body asleep, mind awake state. When you can put your body to sleep without losing consciousness at any point, you have 100% clear dream recall. Scientists call this state of life a wake-induced lucid dream. This state of life is perfect for remote viewing lottery numbers. In this state, we're not bound by time or space and can move our conscious awareness to view life in different places and in different times. In the Ninth City, we proactively bring this state about, sometimes using mantras, but mostly by using hemisync technology. Still, because the experience can feel as if you're paralyzed, unable to wake up, unable to move a little finger, without the proper training, the experience can become pretty terrifying. The body asleep, mind awake state is the harbinger of the out-of-body experience. Robert Monroe made a career out of bringing this experience into mainstream society. If you're not familiar with it, watch his playlist on this channel. Imagine lying in bed and proactively rolling out of your body, then looking back at your body while it continues to sleep. Then, using loving intentions and visualizations, not words, but mental pictures, to move instantaneously to any point in space and into any point in time that you can imagine. A perfect state of mind to view lottery numbers. Really good stuff. But also really scary for those who have no experience with quantum energies. It is the responsibility of the Ninth City Psychic Development Program to change these fears of the unknown into a deep sense of curiosity by explaining the energies involved and the ancient techniques that are being used. In the Ninth City, we proactively pursue experiences like pure consciousness, body asleep, mind awake, and the out-of-body state. These are the tools of the Sidian. He uses them like a doctor uses a scalpel to develop a sense of self that is not bound by space or time. When we're not bound by space or time, prophetic vision and winning lottery becomes second nature. For more on these experiences, see Robert Monroe's playlist. It's on this channel. And don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. We do our best to post weekly. Thank you very much for watching.